So I never had no problem with Quotex or IQ option. My problem was with another trading platform, another cryptocurrency exchange. All right, those exchanges, what they do, they will try like to trade and make enough money. All right, so I opened the first position. I just want to explain to you what happened with me. All right, this one is going down. By the way, I'm using the same strategy that I usually use on IQ option. I'm using it here on Quotex. The same strategy can be applied on IQ option, Quotex, Pocket option, Olympic Trade, or any platform that allows binary option trading. Great. All right. Any platform that allows binary option trading. Yeah, so I can predict now the next 7 or 8 candles from this signal. So what happened is that I was trading on their platform, another platform, of course, I don't want to mention their name, another exchange, crypto exchange to be more specified. So I was trading on this exchange. I made a good sum of money, but when I tried to withdraw my money, yeah, the first win here. Wait a minute, the first win. Okay, let me open the second trade and I will talk to you. Just wait for me. This one is down. All right, this one is going down. I'm investing $300. Yeah. So as I was saying, I started trading on their platform, made good sum of money, and when I tried to withdraw my money from that exchange, they said that it's not logical. I was cheating. You can't make that amount of money in that period of time, that small period of time. I shared with them the course. I shared with them the strategy. I told them that yeah, I was using my strategy. I never had problem with that with other platforms. I was using my strategy with everybody. I never had problems. But I don't know. Somehow they said that yeah, I can't use this strategy on their platform. It's against their rules. But it's a simple strategy. The same strategy I'm using here. So yeah, it's a simple strategy using parabolic SAR, using some rules uh, from MACD, using some rules from Bollinger Bands, also RSI. It's a simple strategy, right? But somehow they said that no, you can't do that. So um, all right, this one is also going down. I will try my best to yeah, I will try my best to make as much as I can from these trades. Yeah, I'm investing $300 as you can see. The 1 minute expiration time Euro USD, and I'm trading with 82% profit. If my prediction is right, now I opened a short position, a sell, right? A sell. If my prediction is right, the market ends in the 1 minute. Yeah, here in the 1 minute expiration time ends under my prediction. Then I'm making 82%. That's 82%. That's 200. So yeah, as predicted, $246. Yeah, $246. Yeah, I still have. Wait a minute. Still have the next 3 candles. So this one is also going. This one is going down. Yeah. Or sorry, this one is going up. It's going up. This candle is going to be a red candle. A green candle. This candle, this one is 100% going to be a green candle, right? Yep. And guys, if you are interested in learning the strategy that I'm using here, I invite you to go to the course in the description below. Everything about what I learned and what I use here is explained in the course in the description below. Yeah. Yep. Another $246. Yeah, that's 82% profit. Let's open another long position. So another green candle is going to be created here. Yeah. We're still having this uptrend, smaller uptrend. It's happening. It's happening, right? It's happening. Yeah. Don't worry, this one is going to be a red candle. Wait a minute, this candle is going to be a green candle, and I'm making $246. So yeah, open a long position, an up or a buy on Euro USD, making 82% profit. So on this expiration time, yeah, here, yep. Yeah, my prediction was right as usual. Let's see. Let's open with $400 now. $400. Yep. Using my money management method, it's telling me to open with $400, right? I guess this one is also going up. This one and the next one, right? Yeah, the next one. This one and the next one. So guys, once you learn my strategy, you will understand what I'm doing here, right? Once you understand the strategy, and I will share with you everything I've been learning in these years, in trading binary options, cryptocurrency trading. But in the course, I will teach you only binary option. If you are interested in learning cryptocurrency, I invite you to go to my other course about cryptocurrency trading. Yeah. Yep. Another $328. $328. Yeah. Yeah, this is the last trade, guys. This is the last trade. See you later.